This is meteorologist Miss Katie Whittaker with your official Red Hook High School and Mid-Hudson Valley forecast for the week of November 9th, 2020. It is a gorgeous day here in the Mid-Hudson Valley. Total sunshine, very warm, feels like it's in the mid-60s to almost 70 degrees. It's a toasty day, and I think that'll continue for another 24 to 36 hours or so. So I hope you've been able to get out and enjoy this nice warm weather. Very unseasonable for November, that is for sure. Now if you take a look at the surface map, this is a little different than what I normally show. This map is showing high pressure and low pressure. High pressure is the blue H, that means happy weather, calm, stable, no real precipitation. You'll see some low pressure centers off towards the west. Those will be some weather makers for us later on this week. And what you'll notice around those circles, you'll see those numbers in the upper left would be your temperature. So Albany this morning, and that would be Monday morning, the temperature was in the upper 30s. Out towards Buffalo, the lakes helped warm it up a little bit this time of year. So in the low 50s for the start this morning. And then out towards the northwest, you'll see temperatures were in the 20s, and down in the southeast, temperatures were in the upper 60s to low 70s. Now taking a look at the surface analysis map, you'll see again that high pressure and low pressure. So we're under a big dome of high pressure. That will help to keep the tropical storm Eta down in the southeast. And so the high pressure interacting with the tropical storm is going to make a big difference there, because it will sort of keep the storm in the southeast and it'll sort of turn around there in the Gulf for a little bit. Might make some moves up towards the northern part of Florida. The forecast has been varying a little bit as far as when the timing of it actually moving will take place, and that will affect the path that it takes, and that will influence our weather, because you'll see that cold front out in the Midwest that'll be making its way to us, it looks like, on Wednesday. And if the timing's right, then the front would combine with the remnants of the tropical storm. The moisture would feed in, and we could see up to an inch of precipitation for your Wednesday and into your Thursday. Out in the northwest, you'll see another low pressure system. I think that could affect us for the early part of the weekend. It's showing up as snow in the northwest, but by the time it gets here to the northeast, it would be warmed up, and we're looking for rain. All right, this week's weather shout out goes out to my adorable parents, Tom and Vicki Whittaker, down in Vero Beach, Florida. Hey guys, it only took a tropical storm down there for you to get a weather shout out, so here you go. Well, luckily the tropical storm warning has been dropped for you, but do watch out for that flood watch, and there is a little bit of a wind advisory in place, but nothing that's too uncommon for Florida. It looks like wind gusts for you in Vero Beach will only get up to the 30 to 40 mile an hour range. Rainfall, again, could be an issue. Just look for standing water if you do have to venture out. All right, now let's get to the 5-day forecast for here in Red Hook and the Mid-Hudson Valley. For your Tuesday, look for morning sun, followed by some maybe afternoon clouds filling in. Depending on the timing of that cloud cover, it could back off those temperatures a little bit. But we're looking for another unseasonably warm day with highs in the mid to upper 60s, maybe even touching 70 if we have a little more in the way of sunshine. For your Wednesday, that cold front moves in, along with the remnants of tropical Eta feeding into it. That center, though, for that system will stay to our southeast. It could be quite the rainmaker, though. Could see around an inch of precipitation with highs in the mid to upper 60s. You'll see the temperature change with that cold front for Thursday. Showers ending in the morning, then clearing skies, highs in the 60s. But you'll see the overnight low Thursday into Friday getting back into the 30s. Mix of sun and clouds. I'm throwing in a chance of a shower for Friday. The models are differing a little bit, so I'm putting in the chance of a passing shower or two, but not a washout by any stretch of the means. And for your Saturday, it looks like it'll clear out with mostly sunny skies and a little bit more seasonable with highs in the 50s. Thank you so much for tuning in to this week's Weather with Whittaker, and I'll look forward to seeing you again next week.